Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hopefully you all are doing great. Okay, we just uploaded the poll on our community tab button on our YouTube channel, and many of you just voted upon the physics O level 5054. Some of you just voted upon the chemistry and mathematics as well. But yes, many of the students also just you can say comment us that we just upload video upon the physics O level 5054. Okay, in this time many of you just are quite prepared, you can say well prepared regarding to your exam. But whenever in physics exam we are just going to appear in the physics exam, we just face, or you can say we just face something about the regarding the examination. For example, we do have 3 to 4 sections of physics O level, and we have a general physics, thermophysics, light physics and nuclear physics, the main topics. Other than that, we do have a we do have a radioactive chapter as well. Okay, before starting with the topic, we just want to discuss that the exam is already, you can say, about 75 marks of the only paper 2, and we do have a choice of one question in section B, and we don't have any choice in P1 and P4. Okay, many of you just lose marks in P1 because, as you all know, that is MCQs based paper, and it's just about 25% probability that we can have a right option on the, you can say, on the MCQ. Okay, in paper 2, the only paper where we can just gain as much marks as we can, but still many of students lose marks just because they just make a small blunders, or you can say they just skip some of the small things. Okay, initially when we just start with the exam, we think that the examiner has assumed all of the things that we are thinking. For example, there is a 3-mark question in which they have given you the voltage, and they have given you the resistance. Okay, and they are just asking you to go for the power. So it's very much easy. You can just go with the P equals to V square upon R, and just you can find the power. But this is the point where the student make mistake. They go in a hurry and they just forgot. Every time they forget to write the formula on the exam sheet, you can say on the answer paper. And his answer, if the answer is of 3 marks, so there will be 1 mark at least of the formula. And most of the cases, many students just forget to convert the conversions. For example, the distance is given in the centimeter, and you can say mass is given in the gram. But the answer, you can say the density they are just asking with us is given in the kilogram per meter cube. So many of you just forget to write to convert the gram into kg and centimeter into meter. Okay, then if the student just go right with the formula and just go right with the solution as well, so in the last when we have a line of the answer, many of the students just forget to write about its units, that what they have achieved in their answer. Okay, that's a big mistake. In P4, there are some of the questions which do repeat, not repeat exactly in the terms of the question, but they do repeat exactly of the terms of the answer. For example, it has been asked in many of the cases like what to do to make the readings more improved, or how to improve the reading. So the best possible answer that in A levels, in O levels, we always find is about the repeating the, you can say, the your answer, or taking the average is the basic answer that you can find it. Okay, then when we just go for the graphs, we just make a mistake. For example, when you just draw a line, it's having written is a best fit line. Many of the students think that they have to just cross all the points, but it is not as they are thinking. They have to just draw a line, and if they are not crossing all of the points, so they should divide the points equally on both of the sides of the line. For example, they are going with the left side, they have left 3 dots, so they should make sure that they should left 3 dots as well on the right hand side. Okay, in order to make sure that they have drew the best fit line. Okay, in the graph, in the P1 exam or MCQ based question, we do make mistake that, for example, we just skip the formulas, we just mix up the formulas in that. Before just going with the exam, just to make sure that to have a correct memorization of the formulas, because in most of the cases the formula is acting upon, for example, in theory as well, the formula is always there which is going to help you to answer that question. Other than that, and finally, you have to just go through or just revise all of the chapters of past papers. You can say 2017, 2018, 2019, 2020, 2021, and 2021 is a special examination series is of July. They do have a good question, and you can see the repetition in the most of the question, but still we do make mistake in the formulas, in unit conversions, and you can say writing the answer correctly in the answer line. We sometimes we just write the answer and just forget to write on the line. Okay, just to take care of these are the small thing, and inshallah you will succeed and you will get good grades.